For someone just starting off with juicing, it's important to ease into the process slowly rather than trying to make sweeping changes overnight. Juicing is most beneficial when done daily and regularly. Many people begin on a positive note and are excited to become healthy. But after a week, the juicer is collecting dust because life has gotten in the way and juicing has become a hassle. This scenario is the biggest hurdle to overcome. Let's take a look at how you can prevent it and what other tips can help you enjoy your juicing journey. Tip number 1. Have a schedule. Having a daily routine is the most important factor. You'll need to decide when you have the time in your day to make the juice. It could be in the morning or evening. It doesn't matter as long as it's convenient for you. Pick a time that you'll make your juice every day. You want it to become a daily habit. On days where your schedule might be different, you should make your juice earlier or later to accommodate the changes. Make things as convenient as possible. The juicer should be easy to access. The fruits and vegetables should be ready to use, and so on. The less hassle, the more chance of success. Tip number 2. Start with the juices you like. When starting off, it's best to stick with the juices you like. Taste does matter. Some people may hate the taste of beetroot. Forcing yourself to gulp the earthy mixture may seem revolting to you. Forcing yourself to do it for the health benefits is counterproductive. Start off with the juices you love. Apples, pineapples, limes, etc., when combined, can be very tasty. Slowly, you can introduce vegetables like celery, mint, cucumbers, and so on. Experiment with different vegetables and fruit to see which ones are your favorites. Once you get into the habit of juicing, you can slowly introduce the vegetables you dislike in small quantities until you acquire a taste for them. And if you still can't, just ditch them. There's a huge variety of other fruits and vegetables to choose from. Tip number 3. Use a juicing recipe book. Having a juice recipe book will be very helpful and will save you a ton of time. You won't need to search online or think up your own recipes. Books are also easier to refer to. In fact, you can just pick one recipe a day from the book and do it daily. If you have a couple of recipe books, you'll never be short on choice. Always make note of the recipes that you've made and enjoyed drinking. This will let you know at a glance which ones to make often. Don't rely on your memory. Write it down. Tip number 4. Plan your grocery shopping. You can't make juices if your fridge is empty. Look at the juices you're making for the week or the next 4 days and plan your grocery list. Then, head to the store and get all the fruits and vegetables you'll need. One trip is much easier than daily trips. Don't worry about the produce staying fresh. Just refrigerate them and they'll be fine. So remember, if you stick to these 4 tips and focus on them, your juicing journey will be productive and enjoyable. And once you make the habit of making and drinking healthy juices a regular part of your life, you'll never look back. Good luck.